Hello, good morning. Today we will talk about the ultimate sales dashboard, which is one of the portfolio items, and more about how one of the case studies about how to maximize sales. So basically, all the work has to be done at a human level, meaning that once the insights have been taken into consideration, someone has to act on it. But how do we make those insights like very actionable, like just looking at one figure and just taking some calls on it? So I call this my ultimate sales dashboard, and right now we are on the second page, and this is called Sales View Customer. So this is more like a focused view in which there is, for example, losing sales which are less than negative 20% was previous year. What does this mean? Basically, all those customers, okay, especially the top customers which were doing good, but they have started losing sales by greater than 20%. Like earlier they were $100 or like $100,000, and now they are less than $80,000. And what is again great in this is that you're comparing exact 12 month with the exact 12 months, so a whole rolling period. Okay, so basically there's no excuse like my season starts afterwards, or this time this festival happened this time, and this time it happened this time. So no excuses like that, because it's a whole 12-month cycle and everything is being covered, which is being compared to the previous 12-month cycle. So, for example, here we see Marianne, okay, and they have lost like more than 20% in sales. So, and then Kessel Foods. So these are the customers, right? So now here directly we can call the customer, like, or the salesperson who's dealing with them, like, hey, what's going on? They was doing so good, and now suddenly what has happened? Okay, and probably you want more story into them, like why exactly are they falling by less than 20%? For example, Kessel Food Market, right? So I have made another tab called client file, like a resume file of the client. Okay, and here I will just type Kessel Food. Okay, so Kessel Food Market, here the whole data changed according to them. And here what I do is, very quickly I will select item. Okay, so now this table will show me items also. So UVC, they are like negative 69%. Okay, versus previous year. I just want to see which items are going low. Okay, so Alienware laptop, they have stopped selling. Okay, they were selling it previous year, they have stopped selling this year. And then this was MacBook Pro 16, they have stopped. So things like that. I know which items are now going out of trend. So what I'll do is I will go and check if there's a common pattern in another different customers also. Plus I'll go in item dashboard and check these items which are falling. So I'll know that they are selling those items which are no longer in trend. And one more thing what I can do is, how do I take, like, okay, now I know this is not in trend. Okay, now what should I do? So for example, I can go in Libera. I can do the same thing out here, type Libera and see what items are they selling. Okay, and then see for more few customers what items are they selling. Suddenly some items might have come in trend. So for example, some items went out of trend. Okay, and we have not pushed the new items which should be in trend to the previous customers. So that's why those customers 20% has fallen, these customers 20% has increased. So this is one of the case I just wanted to talk about. There are so many cases, like there's so many tabs in this. There's customer lifetime value, the cohort charts. So lots to talk about in this. More than 110 KPIs. Almost any question you can think from sales is being answered. But for now, let's keep it short, and that's all for now. Thank you.